Ever feel like your purchase orders just disappear? Well, this new feature is definitely for you.
You know the feeling. You hit submit on a requisition, and then crickets. Where did it go?
Let's be real. The old process was just a super frustrating waiting game, wasn't it? It was a maze of emails and phone calls just trying to figure out who to bug next. But now, with just a single click, you get a complete, totally transparent view.
Seriously, the difference is night and day. We're going from a black box to total clarity. And here's the best part. It's all right there inside your requisitions document history.
And getting to that view is so easy. Just a couple of clicks and you're in.
So, no more guessing games. You can see who's approved it and who's up next. All right, so you're probably wondering what you have to do to get access to this, right? Well, I've got some great news. It's already turned on. You don't have to do a thing. Basically, if you can create a requisition, you can now track its approval. Simple as that. This all means less time chasing approvals and way more time for your actual work. It's a true game changer, turning a painful process into something simple and clear.
So the real question now is, what are you going to do with all that time you get back?